So I've been using this oil spray for about 2 years now. I'm not affiliated with or sponsored by the seller of this oil spray. I'm just making this video to show all of you that this oil spray is still functioning very well after 2 years. Yes, because we kept it beside our cooking stove, it's all covered with grease. I'll clean it later when I show you how I refill it. So the spray lever is still working very well. And the nozzle is not choked or blocked or anything even after 2 years. See how well the oil spray is spraying onto the pan. Everything is functioning well. The flip open cap for the pouring spout still works very nicely, and pouring the oil is still dip free. It's so good. It's as good as new, except it's just covered with grease. Let me show you how I refill it. So whenever we run out of oil, all I do is open the cap like so, and just pour in more oil. The opening is big enough for us to easily refill it. And after that, I give it a good wipe. And that's it. It's all ready to go again. So I've been doing that for about 2 years already. I really like how the tube curves right down to the bottom of the glass bottle to pull every single last possible drop. You are watching Really Useful Things channel. Visit our website for more household items and everyday tech products we use for ourselves. If you are also using this oil spray, I'd really like to hear from you how good it is for you. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.